Once upon a time, in the heart of a shimmering golden savanna, there lived a lion named Leo. Leo wasn't just any lion, he was known far and wide as the bravest of them all. He had faced roaring rivers, prowled the deepest valleys, and stood his ground against the fiercest challenges the wild could throw at him. But there was something about Leo that no one else knew, something he kept hidden beneath his proud mane and confident roar. Leo was afraid of the dark. Yes, the mighty king of beasts, the protector of his pride, was terrified of shadows and the endless black of the night. Every night, when the stars blinked on, Leo would retreat to his den and curl himself tightly into a corner, wishing he could make the night pass faster. Now, the other animals in the savannah looked up to Leo, but they couldn't ignore the strange way he disappeared every evening. One day, Leo's closest friends decided they could hide their concern no longer. Once upon a time, in the heart of a shimmering golden savanna, there lived a lion named Leo. Leo wasn't just any lion. He was known far and wide as the bravest of them all. He had faced roaring rivers, prowled the deepest valleys, and stood his ground against the fiercest challenges the wild could throw at him. But there was something about Leo that no one else knew, something he kept hidden beneath his proud mane and confident roar, a secret that made his heart race and his paws tremble when the sun sank behind the horizon. Leo was afraid of the dark. Yes, the mighty king of beasts, the protector of his pride, was terrified of shadows and the endless black of the night. By day, Leo strode boldly through fields and forests, his courage unmatched. But when twilight came, he couldn't shake the feeling that the darkness held secrets about him, and maybe those secrets weren't kind. Now, the other animals in the savannah looked up to Leo, but they couldn't ignore the strange way he disappeared every evening. The elephants whispered about it. The gazelles exchanged curious glances. Even the mischievous monkeys raised their eyebrows when Leo excused himself from moonlit gatherings, claiming he was too tired or busy organizing his mane. One day, Leo's closest friends decided they could hide their concern no longer. There was Zuri, the gentle giraffe, Juma, the clever meerkat, and Kito, the singing bird. They had seen Leo's bravery during the day and wanted to know why the night seemed to steal it away. So, as the sun set and the shadows stretched over the savannah, they approached his den.
Leo, are you in there?
I'm here. What do you need?
"We're worried about you," Juma said, stepping closer. Leo hesitated. Should he share his secret? Would they laugh or worse, pity him? But as the silence stretched, the kind and steady look in Zuri's eyes and the gentle chirp of encouragement from Kito made him decide to trust them. "I'm afraid of the dark," Leo finally admitted, his voice barely above a whisper. For a moment, the friends said nothing. "I know it sounds silly for someone like me, but when the night comes, everything looks strange and unfamiliar. I feel small." Then Zuri wrapped her long neck in a comforting arc around him. Even the bravest hearts need help sometimes. And you don't have to face this alone. Juma's tiny paws twitched with excitement as he piped up with an idea. "Let's tackle this fear together. Come outside with us tonight, we'll make it fun." Leo's first instinct was to refuse, to stay hidden in his den until dawn saved him. But the warmth of his friend's encouragement made him stand. Slowly, hesitantly, he padded out into the dark, his tail flicking nervously. The savannah at night was alive in ways Leo had never noticed from his hiding place. Fireflies drifted lazily through the air, their glowing bodies like tiny lanterns. The moon shimmered like silver spilled across the sky, and soft chirps, croaks, and rustles created a symphony of sound. Yet beneath the beauty, Leo still felt his old fear creeping in. Shadows seemed deeper, the night colder. "Look at this!" Kito exclaimed, spiraling upward. His wings sliced through beams of moonlight as he sang a melody so enchanting, Leo forgot his racing heart for just a moment. Zuri added, "Feel the breeze, Leo." With his friends by his side, Leo began to see the night for its beauty rather than its shadows. Their companionship turned fear into wonder, and Leo took the first brave steps into the starlit savannah. It's full of secrets the day never shares. If you listen, you'll notice how peaceful the night is. Juma scampered over to a fallen log and wiggled his nose. And don't forget, it's more fun exploring the night together. Slowly, piece by piece, Leo began to relax. He walked with his friends across a glimmering meadow of dew-drenched grass. He dipped his paw into a moonlit stream and marveled at how the water turned silver under the night sky. Finally, as the group sat atop a hill overlooking the vast starlit savanna, Leo smiled. "You were right," he said softly. "The night isn't something to fear, it's something to explore with friends." From that day on, Leo's fear of the dark began to fade. Soon he roamed the savanna at all hours, often with Zuri, Juma, and Kito by his side. Sometimes they laughed, chasing fireflies until dawn. Other times they sat quietly, watching the stars and talking beneath the gentle hum of the moonlight. Leo learned that even the bravest lions sometimes need a little help stepping into the unknown. And he never forgot the friends who guided him through the darkness, not just the night around him, but the one hiding in his heart. For every great fear is just an opportunity to find courage, and every shadow can hold the light of a friend.